Hi, in this video we are going to see the mega recruitment guys. So from the different colleges and the government institutions, okay, and from the NIT and IIT, okay, huge number of vacancies we are going to see here. And here the opportunities are there for the undergraduate as well as the postgraduate for PhD candidates. And here the assistant professor vacancies as well as the associate and professor vacancies and different non-teaching vacancies are there. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And here the range of the salary is starting from 25,000 to 3 lakh rupees per annum guys. Okay, from the different opportunities that I am going to show you. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete notification details from the different institutions or the organization. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, the Unacademy is providing the complete course on paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude. Okay, so this course started on the 9th June onwards guys. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the notifications from the 6 different institutes guys. Okay, so please carefully follow all the institutes one by one. Okay, so without missing not even a single notification. Here the first one is Christian College. Okay, it is a aided college guys from Kattakkada. And here the applications are invited from the qualified candidates for appointment to the post of assistant professor in the following subjects: statistics 2 open category, zoology 2 open category, and English 1 community. So qualifications and the pay scale as per the UGC regulations guys, and the age limitation is also as per the government rules and norms. Application forms and connected instructions can be had from the information center itself. So it is from South Kerala and Trivandrum, and the contact numbers are also provided here. If you are having any query regarding this notification, then you may contact to these numbers guys if you are the resident of Kerala. And the last date for receipt of filled in application by to the manager Christian College, okay, LMS Compound Trivandrum, is July 17, 2021. Okay, so it is the first notification guys. And coming to the second notification is also from Kerala. So it is Kerala tourism.org. So from this one, applications are invited for the post of principal in KIHM. And here whether it is clearly visible or not, but I am reading guys, please check, and I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So PH education qualification from the principal is PhD degree as well as bachelor's degree in HMCT and master's degree in HMCT, and at least 2 successful PhD guided as supervisor and work experience, 15 years of work experience, and 1 vacancy is there. Next one is assistant professor in KIHM. So educational qualification and work experience, minimum 4 years bachelor's degree in HMCT, that means hospitality and management like that, and a master's degree in HMCT in relevant disciplines with first class or equivalent, or else minimum 4 years bachelor's degree in HMCT with first class or equivalent and minimum 5 years of relevant experience, or 3 years bachelor's degree and master's degree HCMT or in relevant disciplines, or one more condition is given, so you may check down. The 2 assistant professor vacancies are there. And next one is library assistant in KIHM. So bachelor's degree in library science or information science with first class and work experience is 2 years of relevant experience in a university or college library, and should have experience in MS Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet as well as the Tally. 1 vacancy is there. And coming to the upper divisional clerk, BCom graduate with first class from a recognized university. The work experiences should have minimum of 3 years of experience in administrative and accounts, and should have experience in MS Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet as well as the Tally. 1 vacancy is there. Coming to the lower divisional clerk, graduate with first class from recognized university, okay, should have a minimum of 1 year of experience in educational institution, and should have experience in MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet as well as the Tally. And the 1 vacancy is there. Fine. So these are the details guys. Okay, so if you are interested, then you may apply through this official website itself. So you may check down apply now for the library assistant, and here also you may check down here, okay, assistant professor apply now. Okay, if you click on this apply now, and then you will be directed to the application form guys. Fine. And coming to the next one, it is Surajmal Memorial Educational Society from New Delhi. It requires senior accounts officer having qualification of CA or CWA. CWA is desirable, guys, and MCOM first division or good. Second division essential. Minimum experience of 10 years in finance, preferably in an educational institute, or else the analogous post. Well versed with computer, tally, preparation of balance sheet, budget, income tax, TDS, audit, EPF, ESI, WCT, service tax, GST, and property tax return, etc. And the interested candidates may apply to this provided mail ID, guys. Principal msi@yahoo.co.in within the 15 days. Okay, so it is the third one. And while coming to the fourth one is the Kumaraguru College of Technology. So here invites applications for the leadership positions. Here the PhD is mandatory, guys. So mechanical, electronics and communication instrumentation, computing sciences, textile and fashion technology, and biotechnology. So coming to the qualification, applicants must have commensurate experience as professor or dean or equivalent leadership role with proven success. And the controller of examination post is also there. Minimum 6 years of COE in autonomous or university systems. Okay, and the interested candidates may apply at the careers. That means it is the official website of Kumaraguru College of Technology, guys. You have to fill up all the details. So by filling up these details, you can apply to the given position here. Fine. It is a vacancy from the Kumaraguru College. And next one is from National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, guys. So from this one, here the non-teaching staff vacancies are announced: registered librarian, SAS officer, assistant, junior engineer, technician, senior technician, and junior assistant. So total here the 50 number of vacancies are there, guys. Okay, and here you may check down the qualifications required for this one. So while coming to the name for the registrar, the qualification required, the age limit is 56 years, and the grade pay is also mentioned here. You may check down. And educational qualifications, master's degree with 55% of marks, and experience must be there, guys. 15 years of experience must be there, and a few more points also mentioned, so you may check down. And next, while coming to the librarian, master's degree in library science, okay, and experience must be there, 10 years of experience. And coming to the next one, that is students activity and sports supervisor, guys. Sorry, officer. So that is SCS officer, and the pay scale is mentioned. It is comes under the group A. And educational qualification, master's degree in physical education, okay, or master's degree in sports science or equivalent. And yeah, that is the thing. And while coming to the next one, that is library and information assistant. Okay, I mean junior engineer, SAS assistant, library and information assistant. So the pay scale you may check down, guys. And the qualification required: first class BE or BTech in civil or electrical, or first class diploma in civil or engineering, I mean civil or electrical engineering. And coming to the SAS assistant, first class bachelor's degree in physical education, a strong record of participation. And library and information assistant, first class bachelor's degree in science or arts or commerce from a recognized university or the institution, guys. Okay, and coming to the next one, technician. So 27 years, okay, it is a direct recruitment, guys. And a senior secondary, I mean 10+2 with science from a government recognized board, or 10+2 from a recognized board with ITI, okay, or else 10th with at least 60% and ITI certificate of 2 years, or else a diploma. Fine. And yeah, age bar is not mentioned. I mean, age bar is not applicable. And coming to the next one, senior technician, 10+2 with science, and 10+2 from a recognized board with ITI 2-year certificate, or else the diploma. Okay, guys. So total these are the different notifications, guys. And junior assistant is also there, 10+2 from a recognized board with minimum typing speed is required. Okay. So these are the different vacancies from the National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Interested candidates, here the online application form is there, guys. Okay. By going through the official website, you can apply through the online application form. Okay, these are all the details, guys. And coming to the next one is from IIT, guys. So here the different vacancies are there from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Leadership vacancies as well as the full-time vacancies. For leadership vacancies, mostly the PhD is required. And coming to the here the full-time vacancies, okay, here you may check down the qualifications. So leadership vacancies, CEO, CTO, COO, CIO. Okay, here the pay scales are mentioned here. And coming to the remaining vacancies, that is engineer manager and project engineer, legal associate and accountant. Okay, you may check down the qualifications here. So engineer manager, PhD is required to the engineering manager also. And coming to the next one, project engineer, MTech or MS in EECS with about 2 years of experience. Okay, and 40,000 to 50,000 will be available. Legal associate, LLB or LLM with specialization corporate law with 1 year plus experience, 40,000 to 50,000. And accountant, MCOM with 1+ year of experience. Okay, and 25 to 35,000. Technical support executive, diploma in mechatronics, fitting, 3D printing, or BE or BTech or BSc electronics or AMI with focus on mechatronics and robotics. 2 years plus experience is required. 25 to 30,000, 35,000. And technical support executive, so same, diploma in mechatronics. And executive secretary, MA or BA or MSc or BSc or equivalent in mass communication or English or corporate literature or similar disciplines, minimum 2 years of similar work experience in the repeated organizations. And compensation is 25 to 35,000. Okay, the last date is 10/7/2021, guys. Okay, and here the Google forms are provided here. So if you click on this one, and then you will be directed to the Google form where you have to fill up to submit your online application form. Okay, guys. So total, these are the different vacancies notification from the multiple colleges, guys. I think it will be mostly helpful to you. So one is from the Kerala Tourism, and second one is from Surajmal Memorial Education. Next one is Kumaraguru College, and next one is Christian College, and next one is NIT Andhra Pradesh, and next one is IIT Kharagpur. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them, guys. And please give me one like to this video for my efforts. Okay. And if you want to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one. and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWYNIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.